Welcome back to our tech news roundup, and as usual, I've got the top stories from GizChina. And please, before we get any further, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things tech. This week we're sharing some of the most intriguing articles that you wouldn't want to miss. So without further ado, let's get into it. Discover which Xiaomi devices may not fully benefit from the innovative HyperOS. Our detailed article dives into the reasons behind this and what it means for the users. Get insights into the compatibility issues and their impact on the Xiaomi experience. To understand the full scope of these developments, take a look at our comprehensive article down below in the description. Locked out of your Samsung phone and worried about data loss? Our latest guide offers solutions to unlock your device without compromising your precious data. We cover various secure methods to regain access. If you're facing these common issues and need practical advice, our website has a detailed guide ready for you. If you're curious to find out more, check out that linked article down below in the description. If you've been struggling with a damaged Google Pixel, our article provides a reliable repair guide and solutions. From cost-effective DIY fixes to finding the best professional services, we have all the options covered. To get a detailed overview of the best way to keep your Pixel in top shape, make sure and check out that linked article down below in the description. The Nubia Z60 Ultra is finally here, packed with innovative features that make it stand out. Our launch coverage delves into what sets this smartphone apart, from its cutting-edge camera technology and its sleek design. For a detailed rundown of this new release and what it brings to the table, make sure and check out that full article on our website. Meet the new Honor X8B, a smartphone that combines a 90Hz AMOLED display with a top-tier 108-megapixel triple camera setup. Our detailed article reviews its design, performance, and how it fares up against its competitors. To learn more about this exciting new entrant into the mobile tech world and its potential impact, check out that in-depth article linked down below. Huawei's Mate 65G is poised to revolutionize the smartphone market in 2024. Explore the innovative features and cutting-edge design in our full-featured article. See how it's setting new standards and what it means for potential trendsetters in the world of mobile technology. For an exclusive look into Huawei's groundbreaking approach, our full report on the website offers all the details that you'll need. And remember, it's down below in the description. Step into the future with HyperOS, the operating system that's changing how we interact with devices. Our article uncovers its unique features, improvements in performance, and user experience enhancements. Interested to find out how this technology could revolutionize your device usage? Our full analysis on the website provides a deep dive into HyperOS. Make sure and check it out by clicking on that link down below. The Motorola Moto G04 is the latest smartphone to hit the market, offering a perfect blend of stylish design and impressive camera capabilities. In our GizChina article, we provide an exclusive look into what this device has to offer. If you're curious about its features and performance, our comprehensive story on the website has all the information that you'll need. And that's a wrap for this week's Tech News Highlights. Was there any story in particular that piqued your interest? Don't hesitate to share your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and visit our website for more leading tech news. Once again, I'll be back next week, as always, to give you another rundown of the past week's news from GizChina.